Hello, today we're gonna see how to send money to the Dominican Republic with Sendwave app. This is easy. The first step we need to do is open our Sendwave app and then we're gonna log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Once you log in, you're going to click this icon right here and then you're going to add some data to confirm your account. You need to uh, add an ID photo and upload up. You need to upload other documents. Okay, it's really easy to do. Once you do this, you need to add a payment info. Clicking this button right here in the same screen of your account. And then once you do this, you're going to see this area right here that says that your identity is confirmed, and here you go. So you need to add a contact to send the money. In this case, we're gonna click this button right here, and then we're gonna select a country. In this case, we're gonna select uh, Dominican Republic. And once we do that, right here we're gonna add uh, the payment method to this person, and then his name, his mobile number, and other information about this content. Once you do that, you're going to type the name of the person, clicking this area right here, and then you're going to uh, type an amount right here. You're going to type an amount to send this to this person. This amount is what you will send to the other person in Dominican Republic, and then in this area you can see how much will receive the person in Dominican Republic. Is really easy. I hope this video was helpful. To send money, you need to click this button right here called continue to send. You're going to click right here and you're going to send the money to the person. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.